Welcome back to Bike Blasters. Today we're taking a detour from motorcycles to dive into a legendary off-road icon making a comeback, the 2025 Toyota FJ Cruiser. Known for its rugged build and go-anywhere attitude, the FJ Cruiser has been reimagined for modern adventurers without losing its iconic charm. In this video, we'll explore the design, performance, tech, and everything else that makes the new FJ Cruiser a powerhouse in the off-road world. Let's jump right in. Retro meets modern design. The 2025 FJ Cruiser holds onto the retro styling that made it a fan favorite. It sports the same boxy shape, round headlights, and iconic white roof that nod back to the original FJ40. Toyota has managed to keep the look timeless while adding modern touches like LED lighting, sharper body lines, and refined proportions. The rugged front bumper, chunky fender flares, and high ground clearance give the FJ Cruiser an aggressive, adventure-ready stance. It's a vehicle that stands out wherever it goes, whether on a city street or a mountain trail. Powerful performance. Under the hood, the FJ Cruiser brings the muscle you'd expect from a true off-roader. The 2025 model is equipped with a 3.5-liter V6 engine that delivers impressive torque, perfect for climbing steep inclines and tackling challenging terrain. For the first time, Toyota has also introduced a hybrid option, a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder paired with an electric motor. This hybrid setup combines power with efficiency, giving you better fuel economy without sacrificing performance. Both engine options are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, and Toyota's sophisticated 4WD system ensures that the FJ Cruiser can handle anything the trail throws its way. Off-road capability. The FJ Cruiser has always been a beast on rough terrain, and the 2025 model is no exception. Built on Toyota's rugged body-on-frame platform, this SUV is designed to handle the toughest conditions. It comes standard with features like a locking rear differential, skid plates, and a high approach and departure angle. Toyota has also equipped it with multi-terrain select and crawl control, so you can choose the optimal traction settings for mud, sand, or rocks with the twist of a dial. The FJ's impressive suspension and added ground clearance make it a dream for adventurers looking to explore off the beaten path. Interior comfort and utility. Step inside the 2025 FJ Cruiser, and you'll find a blend of rugged utility and modern comfort. The cabin is practical and straightforward, with durable materials that can withstand dirt, mud, and the elements. Water-resistant upholstery, rubberized floor mats, and drain plugs make cleanup after an adventure a breeze. But Toyota has also packed in comfort features like an available leather-trimmed steering wheel, climate control, and heated seats. With seating for 5 and fold-flat rear seats, the FJ Cruiser offers plenty of cargo space for all your gear, making it perfect for weekend camping trips or cross-country road adventures. Technology and infotainment. Though rugged, the FJ Cruiser doesn't skimp on tech. The dash is fitted with an 8-inch touchscreen that's compatible with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Toyota's own connected services, allowing you to stay in touch even when you're far from civilization. A built-in navigation system with off-road maps helps you track your route in remote areas, and a premium JBL sound system is available for those who like to bring the music along for the ride. Toyota has also included multiple USB ports and wireless charging, keeping your devices powered up no matter how far you venture. Safety and driver assistance. Toyota has packed the 2025 FJ Cruiser with advanced safety features to keep you and your passengers protected, both on and off the road. Standard safety features include Toyota's Safety Sense Suite, which includes pre-collision braking, lane departure alert, and adaptive cruise control. Additionally, the FJ comes with a 360-degree camera and rear sonar sensors, which provide extra visibility when navigating tight trails or parking in tricky spots. With these features, the FJ Cruiser combines adventure-ready toughness with top-tier safety. Driving experience. Behind the wheel, the FJ Cruiser feels both powerful and controlled. Its responsive steering and impressive traction make it a joy to handle, even on rough and unpredictable terrain. The suspension soaks up bumps and ruts, keeping the ride comfortable even when the path isn't. On the highway, the FJ Cruiser maintains solid handling, though it's clear that this vehicle truly shines when taken off-road. It's the ideal vehicle for anyone who craves a thrill and values the journey as much as the destination. Conclusion. AE. The 2025 Toyota FJ Cruiser is a well-balanced combination of classic design, rugged performance, and modern amenities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.